behind this car so the water doesn't hit me. That was some heavy rain. Everybody stopped.
Not anymore.
I had to put my emergency though.
Oh,
Well, no, so because they weren't behind me, they stopped back there.
you still have one?
No, not even. I just in case they were gonna drive up so they could see me.